Hello, Pagosa. Happy Saturday, and welcome back to Discovery Time. Today, we're going to try an experiment to see if I can poke a pencil through a Ziploc bag full of water without it leaking. So, we're going to start by filling up a plastic bag at least halfway, maybe 3/4 of the way full. Seal it tight. Nice cushion. And then you want a pencil with a pretty sharp tip. Ready? Set. Oh, look. There we go. No leaking yet. What about if I do it with another pencil? Okay. What about another one? Huh. So what's happening here? Well, plastic is a polymer, which is a type of material that has lots of molecules that cling together really, really tight, and they stretch, and they want to come and stay together. And water has an elastic and elasticity surface tension. So that combined means that when a pencil pokes through the polymer, it stretches around the pencil and seals, and then the water puts pressure on it and holds it down. And that's why you can poke as many pencils as you want through this cushion, and it's not going to leak unless one of them becomes loose. I'm just going to give you a close-up so you can see the polymer plastic in action. Do you see how it's creating a seal and it's really holding on tight to the pencil? Now, of course, when you pull the pencils out, the water will start to leak out. But if you lay the bag down on a flat surface like the bottom of the sink, all of a sudden the water will stop leaking. And that's because the water seals over. It has a surface tension, and that clings to the sides of the polymer, almost pushing it shut. And unless that is broken by movement or a space where they can't seal it over, that will continue. That's just a fun science experiment that you can try at home. I'd love to see your results. Send them in anytime. Bye, Pagosa. Have a great week.